I just discovered a tool that lets you create unlimited videos, images, and so much more right from your phone in just seconds. And the best part is, you don't need to sign up. You don't need to download any app. In fact, there's no restrictions. Let me show you how it works. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or like you don't have the tools to create, I get it. That's exactly why I try out these tools first. So you only spend time on the ones that are free, unlimited, and beginner friendly. And this one is a hidden gem. Alright, so to start, let's just go to our Google browser and type in vheer.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, that's it. Just tap on it. We wait for it to load. Alright, so we are in Vheer. And in Vheer, you can see it helps us do text to image, image to image, image to video. And then we have image tools. It can change your background. It removes this background. You can put your text behind your image. It can blur your background. It has a whole lot of tools here, and it's all for free. No sign up needed. Let's look at the other tools. So the other tools include online video compressor, PDF compressor, online GIF compressor, word compressor, and a whole lot. So when you get here, just try your hands on all of these things and then give me a comment in the comment section. Okay, so now let's start with the image to text. You just tap on the generate image from text. Then let's type in what we want to see. If you don't have anything in your mind, you think your mind is blank, just go back to ChatGPT for some prompts. Okay, so I'm just going to write a beautiful African woman wearing a nice, to make it simple, let's just wearing a nice red or wine dress, sitting in a luxurious living room, drinking coffee. Okay. So you say it's fast model, quality model, aspect ratio. So the aspect ratio includes 1:1, 1:2, 2:1, 2:3, 3:2, 9:16, and 60:9. Let's choose a 16:9 for this tutorial. Also, let me just add maybe hyper realistic, 4K. Yeah. Okay. Then we generate. Once you're generating, it can also help you get prompts from the image. So as you can see here, it says get prompt ideas from the image. So try our image to prompts, 100% free now. You understand? So we wait for it to load for us. It also helps us do realistic headshots, as you can see here. We have the anime portraits, we have the AI pet portraits, we have the AI random image, we have the miniature world. I mean, there are a whole lot of tools here. So just get over here and start exploring. Okay. Alright, our image is ready. And note that I didn't add the hairstyle I want, but it just gave me what it felt right. I think that's a good image. It's not bad. Let me know what you think about the image in the comments below. Alright, so when you like your image, you just tap on the button, the download button, and download onto your device. If you don't like it, you can always do some adjustments to your prompt. Alright, okay, remember to download it, because since we are not signing up, our image or our history wouldn't be recorded. So note that. Alright, now let's try the image to video prompt. Image to video. Alright, so they say generate video from image, so let's do that. Now let's upload our image, the image we just generated. Okay, so it has given us a basic image prompt: a photograph of a beautiful black woman with natural afro wearing a red whatever, sipping coffee. Okay, so let's just leave it as that and generate to see what it gives us. So over here you can change the video format. Okay, you can change the video length, then the video frame rate is up to 30 fps, so, and then the dimension as well. So we wait for it to download. We wait for it to generate. Alright, so our image is generated. Let's see what we got. Let's download it and watch it. Alright, I think it's not a bad video. For a free tool with no sign up, we can do with this. Alright, so now what do we have to try next? Let's try our image to image. Let's try our image to image and see what we get. Image to image generator. Again, let's upload this image we generated. Generate prompt automatically. Okay, let's tap on that and see what we get. Alright, okay, so let's add maybe 3D Disney pizza style. Okay, then maybe the creative strengths, let's put it at 6 and put this at 3. Let's generate. Oh wow, I think we got a good image here. Let me know what you think about this image in the comments below. So since I like it, I'm going to download it. Okay, I think I did a good job. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you're getting value, just hit the like button. It helps YouTube know that this is a good video and pushes to others who would want to see this. Okay, alright, what next? So let's try the realistic head shot. So we tap on it, and again, not the avatar, let's upload the image and choose a style. What do we want? Let's go for minimalist. Okay. Generate. And we got our head shot, so we download that as well. Alright, so I've given you the tool. Go out there and experiment with it. This is the kind of tool I wish existed when I first started. It's free, unlimited, and doesn't ask you to jump through hoops just to try it out. Whether you want to create content, tell stories, or just experiment, this is your sign to start today. Every creator out there, especially if you are working with just a phone, I made this for you. You don't need to wait until you have everything to start. I'll keep bringing you tools that work right now, no matter your setup. Until next time, stay creative and stay savvy. And I'm going to see you in the next one.